if you need help, you can go here and you can go to support, request support, and it'll bring you to a form which gathers the information about you, your product, okay, your customer ID. Very important to put that in here because that'll get populated automatically when we get the support request. And basically just a description. It's very good. You know, sometimes users make the mistake of just putting in here the product. You know, just I'm paraphrasing it. Just the product doesn't show. You know, it runs an error code, and I can't do this. But you're not really telling us anything. So be as specific and descriptive as you can in this box right here, and that will affect how quickly we can get help to you. If we can understand your problem right from this form that you submitted, that's the best way to go, so we can get back to you specific information that can help you get going.